Step 1 of installing your Small sticker will be to clean any surface with glass cleaner.
Get it real good around the surface. If you get nifty, you can use isopropyl alcohol, at least 70%. We're using 91% today. You see it evaporate right when you put it on. Wipe it over with your towel again. Then you'll get your sticker. Good boy.
I don't know where I want it.
You peel the transfer paper from the back, it's the little white side. He throws it on the ground. Try to get it as straight as possible.
Unlike Braden.
Is that shit fire or not? Is that from MidnightMafiaOfficial.com?
Yeah, I pulled it on my ass basically. Then you can go over it with your finger. Not get any air bubbles in.
Make sure to pull up nice and slow.
2 dudes, 1 8-inch sticker.
I don't know what we're doing wrong, but it might be something.
God damn, that was the wisest quote today. Adam's getting techier, or as the old folks would say, technical. Quit panicking me. I'm selling my ELO right now. Sexy Soapy small sticker and stuff.
What's the final step, Adam?
Just to refine the edges.
It's like you're giving it a fade.
Make sure it's all tacked down real good. If there's any air bubbles, just push it up with your squeegee.